Hey guys, how's it going? So first of all, I want to say I apologize for not getting any videos out and kind of going MIA on you. I kind of took a break during the holidays, and then when the holidays were over, I was trying to come back and I got sick. So it's like one of those colds that just doesn't want to go away. Usually when I get sick, I only get sick for a day or two if I do get sick, and then it's gone. This time it kind of stuck around and even now you can probably hear it in my voice. I'm still a little sick. It's been 2 weeks and it's driving me crazy. But anyway, so I just wanted to apologize for not posting and say thank you so much for all my new subscribers. I've actually been getting quite a few new subscribers. This is like the fastest I've grown, and so I want to say thank you. So even though I haven't been posting, you guys are still subscribing and still watching my videos, so thank you so much. I appreciate you, and I love you guys. So let's get into this video. Okay, in my last video, the black faux leather video, I mentioned that I wanted to make more vintage labels, even though the last video didn't do that well. If you guys would like to see it, let me know. One person said they would, and I need more ephemeras, so I figured I might as well do it. So I wanted to try to do it a different way than I did last time. So I have some papers here that I printed out, just like ledger papers that I thought that I would stamp on and then cut them out. And so I got these two, well, these three. And I just thought that I would stamp around on them and then cut them out. And then I got these stamps that I got from Amazon a while ago. They're from GLOBLELAND, and they're big like the other ones that I showed you. We're going to be using these. I think I'm only going to use these because there is a few small ones in here that I can use on like these smaller papers here. And of course I have my labels stamps that I made, so I can use these too. But yeah, so I wanted to do that for you and see what we can come up with. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and put some of these on blocks and get my silicone mat to put down to make it a little softer to stamp on. And then I also wanted to show you, I started stamping on a paper bag of these, and I was gonna kind of stamp in them, but I think what I'm gonna do with these ones is just cut them out and leave them blank, and then that way if I need a label, I have them just blank ones, and then I can stamp in it as I need them. So I think that's what I'm going to do with that one. So let me go ahead and get some of these stamps on the blocks, and then that way we'll be ready and we can just stamp away. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I forgot to mention that I will have this link down below for you if you want to check them out. And I love these stamps. They're so cool. And I don't even care that they're huge. But yeah, I like that they have the alphabet and everything, like upper and lower case and numbered. So cool. But yeah, so I'll have these linked down below for you. So let's go ahead and get started. Got some of the stamps on blocks. I just realized I need more blocks because I don't have enough. There's some stamps that I wanted to put and I couldn't. But I'm going to go ahead and start with this one. I'm going to use my Staz-On in Timber Brown. If you watch my videos, you know I love this ink. So this one I tried this already once and I messed it up. So you have to make sure that you don't, like I wanted this one here. You have to make sure that you don't like get the stamp somewhere where you might want to add another one because you have to cut them out. So I want this one, and if I have to just make sure, this one will be a little easier to get because I don't have to worry about, like I can get that too, or maybe just that. Ooh, it's like really faded. Kind of like that. See that one there, I could actually just cut out just like that because it's already looks like a label. Let's see, and then I wish I had a bigger one for that. I could get both of them. I think I need to do it like this. It's like really faded. I'm not getting enough ink. Do like that. Not the biggest one. We still have room down at the bottom if I want to stamp something else. Let's see. That's the biggest one of these I have. Except for mine. This one. I actually never done it like this before. Like last time I did the labels and then stamped inside of them. That's perfect. Okay, let's see, what can we get in here? I have this little one too. I have all my stamping blocks out except for this big one. I need more. Maybe that, like that. Oh, see, now I'm supposed to go up higher. I want to cut that out. Just like the line. And just like the line down the middle. Nope. That one's so big. Maybe I don't need that big one. Maybe I should get the smaller one. And it jumped. Nice. I'm just gonna do that. This one? See, like, again, like every time I stamp, I don't talk. That's why I don't do that many of these videos. Because I never know what to say to you guys. And I haven't filmed in weeks. You think I'd have tons to say. Yeah, I can't see this one, like what I'm doing. Maybe I should go this way. Still didn't get enough ink on it. Okay, I need something here, and then I think that's it for this one. I don't really want these big words. Maybe one there? Okay, so let's do, not that one, let's do, I guess this one. Go this way. I leave enough space in between so I can cut it. Oops. Okay, so that one's done. Well, actually, no, let's do this one up here. Still got it too close to that one, and I'll still be able to cut it. I think that's it for this one. And let's move on to the next one. If I can pick it up. Yeah, I don't really care if those letters are up there at the top. See, it's still, yeah, so that's okay. I already have it on that one. This one I was doing, oh shoot, I wanted to do the sepia. Oh well. I can always switch colors now. I can always cut this stuff out too and just use it as like scraps, collaging or something. Hey guys, I'm back. So I just wanted to show you the finished labels. I have to cut them out still, obviously, but I didn't want to stamp all of them on camera because I don't want to bore you. But yeah, I like the way they came out. I'm going to go ahead and cut one of them out to show you. Do one from here. Let's see which one. Let's do this one. There we go. And I can still stamp stuff down here if I want. Pretty cool. Cut a couple more out. I'll probably keep that as, what's it called, scrap collage paper. Like all the stuff in between that I didn't stamp on, I can keep as collage or just ephemera to stick on something. Obviously, I'm not going to cut them all out on camera. I just wanted to see what some of them look like. Of course, I'm not even cutting it on camera. Very cool. So I'll go ahead and cut the rest of these out, and then I'll come back and show you all of them I'll cut out. I might not cut all of them out because that's a lot. I think I definitely want to do this one and probably finish this one. And then I might just save these for later. That way, as I need them or when I need them later, I can use them. I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. So I just wanted to show you real quick. I did cut them out. This is just some of them. I still have these ones here to cut. Like I said, I might just leave those for like later when I have free time and or just sitting watching TV or whatever. But yeah, anyway, I just wanted to show you what they look like. I don't really like on this one here, if I can pick it up. Really, you know, I don't like the way it's got that in the letter, I mean in the border or whatever you want to call it. You know, that's okay. But yeah, I just wanted to show you the finished labels, and I hope you liked the video. I also did these ones here. I've always wanted a stamp that said priority and I can't find one anywhere. So now at least I did this with the letters that come on that stamp set too. I didn't really get them close enough, but that's okay. I can try again. But at least now if I need a stamp that says priority, I can just stamp it out myself. I got this one too. I just wanted to show you that. So I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I hope this one does a little better than the other one did, and I hope you like it better. And I have some more faux leather videos coming up soon. I need to get those filmed. And again, I'm sorry for not posting more. I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye guys.